Welcome to Homaxi. In this video, we'll be guiding you on how to configure event alarm on Homaxi VMS. Stay with us. Event alarms are used to notify security personnel of specific situations for prompt incident handling. In the Event Center, you can view detailed information about real-time and historical events, access associated event videos, and manage events. Additionally, you can enable and set up linkage actions for resources added to the client. Events can trigger a series of linked actions for notifications and event processing. Open the Event Server program and right-click Settings in the bottom right corner of the desktop. Note down the displayed IP address of the event server. Access Homaxi VMS and click Add to add the event server. The address field should contain the IP address of the event server from the previous step. Add an NVR for testing purposes. Once the device is online, click Remote Configuration. Using motion detection as an example, enable motion detection and configure event settings. In the VMS interface, go to Event Server. Choose the device you want to configure and associate it. The device status will change from unallocated to Event Server, indicating successful binding. Navigate to Event. Select the motion detection option for the specified channel, and click Config to set up configurations. Here, you can choose event levels, linkage content, and apply and save the settings. Return to the home page and click Alarm Center under Common Application. You can view real-time alarm details, handle events, and playback event recordings. The electronic map also supports alarm linkage. When an alarm event occurs, the cameras on the map will flash to indicate the location, facilitating quick response to the situation. That's all for today's tutorial. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel.